Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a URL link for a PDF document. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your favorite browser. I have Chrome opened. Then once you are on your home page, you can click over here on this icon. It will reveal more options and applications. Click on Drive. Then over here, we just need to basically upload your PDF document. Click on New, File Upload. Then I'm going to choose a file. One moment. I'm going to select this example PDF. Let's wait for this to be uploaded successfully. Then I'm going to just refresh this for a bit. Over here is the uploaded PDF file. You can now click on the three dots and choose Share and click on Copy Link. All right. But make sure to click on this icon first, which says Share, and then select restricted to anyone with the link. And you can also copy the link over here. That's it. That's how you can easily create any link for any PDF documents here at your Google Drive. I hope you found this video very helpful.